The Medallion product line is a versatile, lightweight exhibit system known for its ease of use. Medallion is highly portable, with many single-case solutions under 65 pounds. Many of the Medallion units also pack into convenient case-to-counters. Setup is toolless and efficient with aluminum tubes that easily spring button into place, and washable, wrinkle-resistant tension fabric graphics that slide over the frame easily. Medallion also allows exhibitors to reverse their graphics so that they can switch out their brand messaging on demand. And 10-foot units can be reconfigured to form a 20-foot inline to service multiple shows. Medallion is also compatible with a wide range of toolless accessories such as clip-on placard graphics, back wall counters, adjustable shelving, toolless monitor mounts, and many other Featherlight accessories to provide a custom look and meet all of your exhibiting needs.